we have to understand something very important first, and that is this: a virus is not a living thing. Let me give you a perfect analogy of what a virus is all about. We have a computer and we have something called memory sticks. Okay, the memory sticks are the little plug-in units that go into the computer and they carry memory. That's why I call a memory stick. Okay, I go, so what's relevant? I say, the memory stick doesn't have an operating system. It doesn't have any life to it. All it is has a program in it. And when you stick the memory stick into the computer, the program from the memory stick goes into the program of the computer and becomes operational within the computer. A virus is the equivalent of a memory stick. It's not alive. It doesn't have metabolism or anything. It's a capsule that contains information to control the genetics and the behavior of the cell. It's not alive. So it's like memory sticks floating all over the place. And if one of these memory sticks plugs into one of your cells, then the information in that virus memory stick is transferred into the cell, just like it would be on a computer. And in the cell, the information carried by this virus will start to take over the metabolism and character of the function of that cell, and actually redirecting it to make what? More viruses. And so all these viruses are accumulating in the cell after being replicated. And then when I said, well, then the cell dies, and then guess what? Then all the viruses are scattered throughout the rest of the system to attack more cells. And one after the other, the domino effect, more and more of these viruses show up and more of the cells get infected. I say, okay, so I say, this is the nature of how a virus works. It's the equivalent of the memory stick with a program. So I say, it's not alive. So that's the first thing you have to understand. It's not alive. But there are factors in the environment that could destroy the function of it, like temperature. The different things are temperatures or different cleaning agents or antiseptic agents, because they can mess with the little membrane envelope that surrounds the virus memory stick. And it's the envelope around the virus memory stick that determines the target cell. So the membrane of the virus has receptors that complement certain receptors on our cells, especially our respiratory cells. So the point about it is this: viruses, memory sticks are being scattered. When they get picked up, they go in the system. If the conditions are right, the virus memory stick will inject memory into your cells, take over the production of the cells to make more viruses. At some point, the cell gets filled with viruses, dies, and then the viruses are spread to the rest of the community.